cellphone, di ba?
Pati ka na. Ano?
So, sige, alin na.
Ang video.
Dito to. Okay, video eh. Muni ang crankcase.
Crankcase. Oban na. Oban na nato
Exhaust, exhaust manifold gasket. Exhaust manifold. Kani. Then clutch disc, clutch pressure plate, flywheel, oil pan. Kani oil pan. Kani safety block plate. Kani oil filter. Kaning hole gyud, muning engine block. Engine block. Then kani siya, kani nga side kani. Muning itawag og crankshaft. Dayon ka to, kani Dire kani. Muning siyang camshaft pa. So, camshaft.
Kato ng zigzag.
Muning zigzag kani muning crankshaft. Camshaft. Straight. Then
Basta ko siya picture ba?
ay nampira 18, 19. Muna siya ang connecting rod, piston ring. Dayon.
Sorry to.
Cylinder head, gasket, cylinder head, hole cylinder head. Dayon, valve spring, valve retainer, kani valve retainer. Kani valve block. Then dipstick. Cylinder head cover. Dipstick no. Fuel pressure copper hose. Kani fuel pressure copper hose. Then kani fuel injector. Fuel filter.
Asa na sir?
Kani fuel filter.
Kana tanan ang hole.
Hole fuel filter. Intake manifold, rocker arm, water pump, then hose rod, then kani siya, muni siya ang bolt bolt, kanya sa gulan banik nut, kana bolt and nut, bolt and nut, okay, then sa tools ta,
Kaya na nato pikas.
rubber mallet, tack hammer or chisel hammer, vernier caliper, combination spanner, long nose plier, adjustable, extension bar, heavy duty handle, rod set, then flat screw.
Apa to sir?
Amen.
Kanang gagmay.
Socket wrench. Dili na mo masero.